Lordship. I beg to mention item 28, Lordship.
28. On the prayer of Mr. Anupa London State Council, Standing Council Irrigation Department. Further, 3 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit in opposition.
All right,
Petitioner Lordship, a date may be fixed, Lordship.
Mr.
because-
MS Swenshaw, London Council for the petition is present.
Lordship, in item number 54, an affidavit in opposition has been filed on behalf of respondent number 4 today. That may kindly be called on record, Lordship.
54. Where is the urgency?
File an affidavit, Lordship.
54 is our orders, why it's to be called? We'll take it after some other day. 54. You are for respondent. Who is for the petitioner?
Actually, Lordship, in this case, we have been directed to file our affidavit, otherwise the personal appearance of the
Okay,
PC was
then
there, that
call-
is why,
call.
Lordship.
Call.
May it please, my lords. My lords, on behalf of the learned counsel for the petitioner, I pray to mention item number 62.
Hmm.
This matter, my lord, I pray for an adjournment. There is some personal difficulty on the part of the learned counsel.
62.
62, my lords, supplementary list.
Mr.
A. Borua, my lord, on behalf
A.
of
Barua,
Mr.
Learned Council appearing on behalf of
Mr. P.R. Sarma.
Mr. P.R. Sharma, Learned Council for the petitioner, submits that Mr. Sharma has, who is leading in this matter, has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, fresh for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 3 weeks.
I'm so obliged.
Please, your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 25, lordship.
Hmm.
This matter may be taken after due vacation, lordship.
25. You are for? Taken consent?
Yes.
Huh?
I am for a petition, lordship.
Okay. As agreed to by the Learned Council for the parties and on the prayer of Learned Standing Council GST, Mr. Jain,
On behalf of Mr. K.
K. Jain on behalf of Mr. S.C.K. Learned Council, that this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
That may be.
Interim order passed and it shall continue.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, I have taken consent of the government, my lord. I beg to mention item number 17, my lord.
Hmm.
Lordship, this matter may kindly come on after brief vacation.
On the prayer of Mr.
A. Mubarak.
A. Mubarak, Learned Council for the petitioner. And the prayer not being objected to by Learned Council but responded, this matter listed after 4 weeks.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 19, lordship. So, password for a day, after brief vacation.
Who is, you are Mr.? You, on the prayer of Mr. Aaron Shutti, Learned Council for the petitioner, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
May I please, lordship? My lord, I am on behalf of petitioners, my lord. My lord, item number 20, my lord. This matter may be adjourned, my lord. Adjournment sleeve has already been submitted yesterday, my lord.
Huh? Okay.
Adjournment sleeve has already been submitted, my lord. with
On the
consent.
prayer of Mr.
T. Sheikh,
P. Sen,
on behalf of Mr. B.J. Ghosh, my
Learned Council appearing on behalf of Mr. B.J. Ghosh,
lord.
submits that an adjournment slip had been submitted yesterday for seeking adjournment of the matter. According, let this matter be listed. And then according let matter be adjourned. List after 3 weeks.
My lord.
Hmm.
Highly obliged. my lord.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the arguing counsel in item number 14 and 15, Mr. P.K. Tiwari has some difficulty today. Lordship will kindly take up this matter after Bihu week.
MS so-and-so Learned Council appearing for Mr. P.K. Tiwari, Senior Counsel, submits that Mr. Tiwari has some personal difficulty today, therefore fresh for listing of the matter after 2 weeks. Present list after 2 weeks. 2 weeks or 3 weeks? 3 weeks. 3 weeks, make it 3 weeks.
Lordship, there is
Mr. So-and-so Learned Council for this, 3 weeks, these are both 14 and 15. You are for?
Lordship.
Mr. And I'm on behalf of Mr. M.K. Hussain, Learned Council for respondent is present.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your honor?
Hmm.
Well, I beg to mention item number 35, my lord.
this matter has become infectious, my lord.
Mr.
M. Hussain, my lord.
M. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that this writ petition has become infructuous. Accordingly, writ petition closed on having become infructuous. Huh?
Most obliged, lord.
May it please your lordship, may I please beg to mention item 44 and pray to adjourn it for the day and be listed at a later date, please.
44.
Yes, your lordship.
On the prayer, Mr.
KG Chaudhary.
K.G.
Chaudhary.
Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention item number 11 to 13, lordship. Lordship, in this case, we have to file our affidavit and I also, lordship. So we
11
need-
to?
Lordship,
Ah,
I am on behalf of lordship H. Homwa, lordship.
Ah,
Petitioner, lordship.
hmm.
So in this case, we have to file an I and affidavit in reply, lordship. So we need certain time, lordship.
MS so-and-so, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr.
H. Homwa.
S. Chomo, learned counsel for the petitioners. Submits that 2 weeks time may be granted to file affidavit in
Lots.
reply. Spare is allowed list after 2 weeks, so as to enable the counsel for the petitioners to file affidavit in reply.
May I please, lordship. I beg to mention item number 1, my lord.
Who is the person of the applicant?
Which time to file reply?
What
In I.
reply? Huh? And Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner, the applicant, on the prayer of Mr. A. Mohammed, learned counsel for the opposite party, writ petitioner. 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in the place. Objection to the IA. Mr. And the state council is present. List after 3 weeks. Interim order passed, earlier shall continue.
Bless.
May I please, your lordship?
Hmm.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 52, your lordship.
52.
52, your lordship. Your lordship, I have some personal difficulties, so I have to sleep earlier, your lordship. In this matter, your lordship, as per the order of 3/12/25, your lordship, the service is complete, your lordship. This matter may be listed for admission, your lordship.
It is submitted by Mr.
I.H. Laskar on behalf of Mr. M. Ahmed.
I.S.
Laskar.
Laskar, learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing of Mr. M. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petition submitted. Service is complete. List accordingly, list this matter for admission after 3 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention, Lordship, item number 5 and 6, Lordship.
5 and 6. Yes.
Difficulties of NJ Khatuniya matter may possible for the day, Lordship.
On the prayer of MS so-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. N.J. Khatuniya, learned counsel for the petitioner. It's 2018 matter. On the ground that the Mr. Khatuniya has some personal difficulty today. Let this matter be listed after 4 weeks. 3 weeks, make it 3 weeks.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I want to mention item number 18. Due to some medical emergency, my senior is unable to appear today, so matter may be taken up for verification.
18.
Yes,
Who is your
I am
senior?
appearing on behalf of my senior, D. Bora.
MS so-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. D. Bora, learned counsel for the petition submitted. Senior Mr. Bora, learned counsel has some medical emergency, therefore, press for listing of the matter after 3 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 3
May I
weeks.
please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 30, lordship.
30.
30. With consent of the other secretary.
Ah.
Kindly pass over for 2 days, lordship. Fixed after vacation.
On the prayer of Mr.
M. A. Mondal on behalf of M. Rana.
Learned counsel appear on matter and honor, let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
May I please, your lordship, item number 23 and 24. That is senior counsel has to face some difficulties today. Let the matter may come on 20th of this month, my lord.
Will not fix the date. Huh? What is the matter?
Matter, the revenue authority has cancelled my patta, my lord. Revenue authority has cancelled my patta, my lord.
On the prayer of Mr. MS,
That's right.
learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks.
Interim order may continue.
Interim order first the list will continue.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
To mention Article 37 to withdraw.
37.
Withdraw it, my lord, because it has become infractual.
Mr. S.C. Biswas, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that this writ petition has become infructuous. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed as infructuous.
Your lordship, I beg to mention item 47.
Yes.
Your lordship, the case status report was called for, it has not arrived, neither has the respondent filed any affidavit yet.
You are for respondent.
Your lordship.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
I want the matter to be adjourned for today, your lordship. The matter may be taken up in the month of February because on the last date, the case status report was called for. It has not arrived and neither the respondents have filed any.
Now, and then in that case, on the prayer of Miss MS, Biani, learned counsel for the petitioner. List this matter after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the status report called by this court, called for, be placed, and the respondents may also file their affidavits.
May it please your lordship, with the consent of other side, I beg to mention item number 11. The conducting counsel is in bereavement.
11. Already adjourned. 11, 12, already 13 adjourned already.
May please, your lordship. May I beg to mention item number 3 of the daily list, your lordship?
3.
Yes.
Yes.
Learned senior counsel MC Ahmed is not well, your lordship.
This is 2016 matter. No adjournment. Huh?
He's not well. So if your lordship, a short recommendation will be fixed, your
What
lordship.
is the matter?
Lordship, it's not aware. I'm not aware of it also.
If you are not aware, don't make a mention.
I'm sorry.
Are you not his junior?
I'm actually AM Datta's junior, your lordship, herein.
So why you are making a mention?
He's also there.
How you are
cost list, your
authorized?
lordship.
Huh?
His name is also reflected in the cost list, your lordship. M. Datta.
M. Datta. Anyway, Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that his senior has some personal difficulty today. Therefore, press for listing of the matter after 4 weeks. Praise the Lord, list after 4 weeks. Not 4 weeks, 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged, your lordship.
May I please your lordship, I beg to adjourn the matter, item number 38 to 42, kindly matter may be list after.
32 to 48.
38 to 42.
What is this? What is the matter about? Yes. What is the matter about? Matter is all about. Yes. What is the matter?
These are the matters whereby the petitioners are seeking, my lord, appropriate rehabilitation packages, my lord, benefits from the respondents. They were enforcers, my lord, in tribal belt areas. They have been evicted. Now they are seeking rehabilitation, my lord, benefits from the respondents.
Under what provision of law?
They are claiming under equity, my lord, not statutorily, the government is not bound.
If they are encroacher, how can there be, unless there is a statute or the rules or the policy to rehabilitate? Madam, who is your senior?
Jia Ahmed.
Huh?
Jia Ahmed.
Dismissed.
Kindly, my lord, after vacation.
On the prayer of Miss M.S. So-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf. Your name is A. Hussain.
Jia Ahmed,
তোমার নাম কি?
Jian Khandagar.
Oh, learned counsel appearing on J. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. List these matters after a week. After a week.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 53. Pass over for the matter for the people.
Yes. 53.
53, Lordship.
What is to be done?
Pass over for the
No, why this is listed for orders?
listed for orders.
What? Are you busy? You are not, we'll take it up. What is to be, what order has to be passed?
In this matter, probably steps has not been taken to respond number 3, my lord.
Then take steps. Is it? Mr. Yuja Soikia, learned counsel by the petitioner is afraid for has prayed for and granted a week's time to take fresh steps for service of notice upon respond number 3. Respond number 3. Yes. List the matter after 4 weeks. Mr. H.R. Ahmed, Malek, H.R. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that
With liberty, my lord.
he has an instruction to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to file a fresh petition. Accordingly, writ petition is, prayer for withdrawal is allowed. List of accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with a liberty as spread for.
Obliged.
No. Mister?
In this matter, the respondent number 7 need to be.
No objection, right? No objection.
Already served.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner, applicant, obligate petitioner, and Mr. C. Barua learned standing counsel NSIDCL for opposite party respondents. This is an application seeking implement of where is this name of that implement of general manager for project monitoring unit within bracket PMU bracket close of NSIDCL, comma, Kachar. List of.
Amendment cost title file registry দেরি করে দেবেন registry করিব registry
The petitioner filed in the connected writ petition, being WPC 6628 of 2025, right? Next, the applicant obligate petitioner filed the aforesaid connected writ petition, praying for appropriate direction, praying for, challenging the notification issued by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways under section three of the National Highway Act 1956, whereby the land of the petitioner measuring approximately, measuring 10 khatas approximately in the Moja, Haitanga, bearing RS Patta number 134, dag number 650, of Kachar, in the district of Kachar. List of the petitioner inadvertently failed to added the proposed respondents to be implemented, particularly the general manager for project monitoring unit within bracket PMU bracket plus of NSDCL Kachar. At the time of filing the aforesaid connected writ petition, list of having considered the nature of grievance raised in this writ petition and the prayer not being objected to by learned counsel for the respondents. You record his name also, huh? And thus on top. For us, huh?
Required to be amended.
Just wait, I have not completed the order. I said, having considered the nature of the grievance raised in this writ petition, in the connected writ petition, and the prayer for implement having not been objected to by learned counsel for the response, above this. Considered view that the general manager for project monitoring unit of NSIDCL, Kachar, would be, it appears to be a necessary party, accordingly, the writ petition. And accordingly, the general manager for project unit so and so, to give the full address is allowed to be implemented. Party respond number 7 in the connected writ petition being WPC so and so. The IA stands allowed and disposed of in writ petition in view of the order passed so and so. Today in IA so and so. The petitioner to file amended course title list of raised to incorporate the name of the newly implemented respond number 7 in the writ petition. Stuff. Thereafter, notice be issued. No, on incorporation, let notice be issued to the newly responding. No, notice is not required.
Required.
You submit he's appearing.
But after amending cost title, copy is required to be given.
That's why I'm saying no.
Yes.
Notice
No, yeah. I'll be appearing this case.
Since Mr.
Copy may be served.
C. Barwa, learned standing counsel, NSDCL, accepts notice on behalf of newly implemented respond number 7. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copies be furnished to the learned counsel, learned standing counsel, huh? List after 3 weeks.
After 4 weeks, man.
4 weeks.
Already 4 weeks given earlier.
4 weeks.
1 and 2.
Recording. On top, huh? Okay.
My lord, on the prior occasion, the counsel for respondent 1 to 4 was supposed to file in reply of affidavit,
No,
but they haven't filed yet. And
it's okay. But you are also supposed to file, bring on record the scheme.
my
Have
lord,
you brought on
my
record?
lord, we have to yet to receive instructions from our client.
Huh?
We have yet to receive the instructions from.
No, it's not a question of instruction, scheme.
Yes, my lord, the
Scheme for surrender cum rehabilitation of militants 2005.
Yes,
You are supposed to bring on record.
yes.
Is there any scheme?
We don't have knowledge, my lord.
Who will have the knowledge? When there is a scheme of is it a scheme of the Japan or what?
BTC, they have
Huh?
to say, my lord.
Who is BTC?
Otherwise, my lord, name is not referring for the BTC. Or otherwise, my lord, respond number 5 was to file an affidavit, my lord.
Who is respond number 5?
Respond number 5, my lord. Plain Tribes Development Corporation, my lord.
Managing Director, Assam Plains Tribes Development Corporation, Who is? It is the state government, the commissioner secretary to government. Plain Tribes and BC Department, Dispur. Who is appearing? It's a scheme of the state. This 2016 matter, and there is the already in fact the name of the husbands of the petitioner were provided. Is there any scheme or not?
Well, my lord, as far as we know, there is a scheme, but we haven't.
So why was not brought on record? It's way back in 2021. These are the, I mean, surrendered militants, the wives of surrendered militants. Unfortunately, they have died. So casual. Both the parties.
My lord, he was supposed
Not
to
Mr.
take
So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner and Mr. So-and-so, so-and-so, huh? And also so-and-so, huh? Learned counsel for respondents. A matter pertains to claim of, what is this? Claim for release of financial assistance to the legal heirs of deceased surrendered misguided borough youths under the scheme for surrender cum rehabilitation of militants 2005. List of, although this court on 11/01/2021 directed both the directed the learned counsel for the petitioner to bring on record and also on the prayer of learned counsel for the respondents, state respondents to file response, comma. Neither the scheme for surrender cum rehabilitation of militants 2005 has been brought on record by the petitioner, nor any affidavits is filed by the has been filed by the respondents, state respondents, comma. The matter, the petitioners are as not as it is noted that the petitioners are the wives of the deceased surrendered borough misguided and surrendered borough youths, misguided borough militants youth, comma, and the matter is pending since 2016. Considering about let this matter be listed after a week. Huh?
after 2 weeks.
Why? You want to enjoy the Bihu? You don't know what to work on Bihu holidays. List this matter after 2 weeks as a last chance. No, please, as a last chance. List after 2 weeks as a the matter is let the matter be listed. The matter is listed. Matter be listed after 2 weeks. List of on the next date both the parties to take steps as directed by this court on 11/01/2021.
Obliged.
By this writ petition, the petitioner proposed this on for settlement of a particular land of the petition. Initially, your lordship, the grandfather of the petitioner was in possession of that particular land, which is 7 bighas 15 kathas. as a riot for the Sukleswar Deval. Later on, in your lordship, during the lapse of time, they became an occupancy tenant. Now, when we filed this writ petition coming before for settlement of the same, an affidavit was filed by the respondent saying that their name were not there in the SITA and they were not found to be riot. Then, your lordship, we filed and brought in on record the SITA documents and all. Then now they have again filed an affidavit, bringing on record that yes, that the petitioner is in possession of that particular plot and also he is a occupancy tenant. That's why they have filed this. Now, since they are already there, we have already filed the application for your lordship settlement of the same. And in the same area, similarly situated person have already been granted. This person remained because his name was not found, initially not found on the record. Now, since there was a inquiry done by the circle officer and he found that he is in possession and he is an occupancy tenant of that particular plot of land. Now, there won't be any impediment in considering the application for settlement of the same as per law, your lordship. That's my learned friend agrees to that. Then your lordship can
Application is pending, my lord. So
Yes,
their applications are pending.
yes.
So we'll consider it in accordance with law.
And lordship will just give a gist of the fact that we are the occupancy tenant as per the affidavit file. They have taken.
The
that-
Mondal report says that they are in possession as the occupancy.
So that part your lordship will at least. So then it can be disposed of on that.
Heard Mr. Y.S. Mandan, learned counsel for the petitioners. And also heard Mr. B.J. Talukdar, learned additional advocacy general, additional senior government for all the respondents. For respondent 2 and 3. Then R. Bhattacharya for learned standing council, revenue. For respondent number 1, B.J. Who is for 2?
2 and 3, my lord.
2 and 3. By filing this writ petition, the petitioners have prayed for a direction to the respondent authorities to settle the land under the occupation of the petitioner, measuring 7 bighas, 5 leches under DAG number 664, DAG number 665 and DAG number 668 under PP number 441/164/199 located at fourth Partha, FORT and PAR, Tezpur town, Moja Maha Bhairav in the district of Sonitpur, Assam. Christoph. The petitioners are the sons of one late Mahendranath Sharma. And Sharma and claims that the name of late Mahendranath Sharma, alias late Mahendra Sharma, was included in the revenue records as Chira Dakhali, CHIRA.
That is in English, it is occupancy tenant.
DAKHALI, IE, what is, where that is?
That means
Tenancy
occupancy
occupants.
tenant.
IE and occupancy.
They have given
tenants
it in their affidavit.
pertaining to 2 bighas, 1 kata, 18 leches in DAG number 664, 3 bighas, 2 katas, 70 leches in DAG number 665, and 1 bigha, 1 kata in DAG number 668. And and under periodic Pata number 441/164/199, located at fourth Partha, Tezpur town, Moja Maharai, same, this in the district of Sonitpur, Assam. List of next matter. It is the case of the petitioner that they being the successor in interest and said late Mahendra Nath Sharma are entitled to the ownership right in terms of the provisions contained in section 21 of the Assam within bracket temporary settlement areas bracket close Tenancy Act 1971. The petitioners claims to have submitted an application for settlement before the
First application, Lordship will find at page.
the Deputy Commissioner, Sonitpur District, Tezpur, for settlement of the said land on 0807 2017.
No, initial was
16.
2016 first. Then your Lordship, the
And just give the date.
8/7/2016, then your Lordship, the second one is on 5/4/2018. And the
5/4.
third one is on 2/9/2019.
For 2018 and
2/9/2019.
2000 and
2/9/2019.
2019.
I have managed.
List of, however,
Oh,
it is contended that the
I have-
respondent authorities
I'm at the 5 like.
has not considered the case of the petitioners. List of Mr. Vice Manor Council for the petitioner submits that although initially the respondents have denied
Lordship, yes.
the
In their affidavit.
tenancy right, right of the petitioners for settlement under the law of the said land, subsequently on the basis of the inquiry.
There's an inquiry by the.
Inquiry by the
circular.
concerned officials.
That is on the next.
It is
In the affidavit.
admitted that the petitioners are in occupation of the said land. Are in occupation and possession of the said land. Being the said land, huh? Of the subject land, huh?
Yes.
List of.
And their names are
Therefore,
also
there-
reflected.
And the name of the petitioners are
Not
reflected.
petitioner's father.
The name of the name of the late Mahendra Nath Sharma, who is the father of the father of the petitioners, is clearly reflected in the where it is
Sita.
Chita.
That is at the affidavit.
In the Chita.
No, they can't.
And as such, there would not be any impediments for the respondent authorities to consider the case of the petitioner for settlement. In terms of this Tenancy Act, right?
Yes.
In terms of the Assam
Assam
Temporary Settled Areas Tenancy Act 1971. List of next para. All of you, Mr. Arbor Pujari, Learned Standing Council, and Mr. Vijay Talukdar, Learned Additional Advocate, Additional Senior Government Advocate for the respondents, fairly submits that in view of the inquiry caused and having found that the name of the father of the petitioner is being reflected in the Chita, the authorities would consider the case of the petitioner in accordance with the law, right? That's all. Having considered that the petitioners are in occupation and possession of the subject land, being the legal heir and or the legal heir or the successors in interest of late Mahendra Nath Sarma, comma, who are the no, sorry, Sarma, comma, and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the as fairly admitted by the learned counsel for the respondents that the subject land, the name of the late father of the petitioner, late Mahendra Nath Sarma, is being reflected in the Chita record, comma. I'm of the considered view that the petitioners are deserved to be considered for settlement of the subject land in terms of the Assam Temporary Settled Areas Tenancy Act 1971. This stuff.
In fact, the similarly situated person have already, that I have annexed.
It is required, not required. In view of the admission that they will consider.
Yes.
Accordingly, I deem it appropriate to direct the responding authorities, particularly Deputy Commissioner, Sonitpur District.
District Commissioner now.
District Commissioner. District Commissioner, Sonitpur District, Tezpur, to consider the case of the petitioner by taking up the application for settlement of the subject land, namely, you give that land measuring so and so, give that. Don't make a mistake, it's a long word, that thing. Should I say? Give that, where is that saddle? Have you annexed the saddle? Or is it just a statement? Saddle of the land.
Schedule is not.
Schedule of the land, you have, then you para 8, huh?
Schedule bully DMF.
No, not para 8. No,
Paragraph
whatever.
8 specified.
Huh?
Paragraph 8, if the petition I have specified.
7 bigas, 15 lessons. Huh?
That is it. And the dark number and pattern numbers are given.
Total.
Total 7 bigas, 15 lessons.
Lordship will find it at my lord page 26.
26 would be. 20?
And also in their affidavit, it is there in the Sitha itself.
Yes, schedule of the land, right?
Yes.
2 bigas, 1 kata, 18 letters, dark number, 3 bigas, so and so, kata, so and so, 1 biga. That
Total
means
7 bigas.
5, 6, 7, yes.
7 bigas.
Page 26, which we have recorded.
Yes.
Huh?
Totally 7
Page
bigas.
26, last para, page 26. Huh? Within a period of 3 months from today, from the date of receipt of the certificate copy of this order, repeated instance, dispose of in terms of the above.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, in terms of the order passed on the last occasion, I was directed to seek instructions on a new development which has taken place during the pendency of this writ petition. My lord, in brief, if I may be allowed to just put the background, my lord. Now, my lord, we basically had put to challenge an order passed by the IOCL authorities wherein they have decided to put our retail dealership, that is, my lord, the petrol pump, which is operating in Sukia,
Holiday scheme.
under holiday scheme, my lord. Now, my lord, during the pendency of this writ petition, they have, as we did not had any stay order in our favor, my lord, so the authorities had already terminated our dealership by recent order, which my learned friend appearing for the respondents have brought it on record, my lord. And we, as a petitioner, was basically anticipating in challenging this new, my lord, the termination order as a new fresh cause of action has arisen.
Yes.
So your lordship can close the current writ petition in the light of the fact that new cause of action has arisen, and a liberty may be given to us that if my advice, they can still assail the order, termination order passed by the IOCL authorities, my lord. And
Or else we'll
My lord.
say that you, in view of the subsequent development, terminating your contract
my
or what?
it is the license to run and operate the retail outlet, my lord.
The termination of the license.
Yes, my lord.
You will withdraw the writ petition with a liberty to file fresh,
Yes.
challenging the new.
Yes, my lord.
Is the partner in the dealership lordship.
We have a dispute
representing
between
that.
us and the private respondent, and
whatever.
because we are not
The
able.
challenge is what here?
Challenge here is the decision,
Holiday.
a holiday scheme that we had put to challenge, my lord. Here.
Okay. No, it's up
That can
to
be
them.
done.
Mr.
H. Buraghan.
H. Burhan, learned counsel for the petitioners. Petitioners or different petitioners?
It's a partnership firm, my lord.
Okay, petitioners. Submits that during the pendency of this writ petition, the license,
Yes, my lord.
what license?
It's a retail dealership.
Retail,
RO, it's called, my lord,
no, retail outlet dealership for what?
for running and operating the petrol pump, my lord.
For running, for petrol pump.
Yes, my lord.
Retail outlet dealership. We'll say, is it so? License for retail outlet of petroleum. Petroleum. You just give the exact word, that thing.
Yes, my lord, I'll do so.
Just,
Termination from those.
has been cancelled by the respondents, terminated. Cancelled or terminated?
It has been terminated by an order.
Termination of dealership.
Terminated. What is that? No, it's terminated by the respondents.
Kedarnath Koilaspati saw.
No, you just tell that the retail outlet dealership for petroleum. Petroleum.
Petroleum.
Just a retail outlet, huh? What I said, you just read. On
My lord, it was terminated on 23.
On 23/02/2024, my lord.
23/03/2000.
My lord, 02.
02/20/2024.
My lord.
The petitioner may be allowed to withdraw these writ petitions with a liberty to challenge the termination.
Correct.
Termination order. Mr. So-and-so, all of them. What?
6.
P. Nayak, who is one?
So 2 to 5, my lord.
2 to 5, who is for one?
One is
It's
central government council.
Okay, or 2 to 5. And Mr. P. Nayak, Learned Counsel for respondent 6 are present. Accordingly, writ petitions. These writ petition stands closed on withdrawal with a liberty to, with the liberty as prayed for.
I'm highly obliged, my lord.
No, you write in the contempt, in view of the disposal of the writ petition, the contempt.
Even there is contempt
petition.
Yes, my lord. That can also be disposed of.
Stands closed.
I'm obliged, my lord.
Item 16.
And also this IA merge with and dispose them.
Item 16.
My lord, I am for the respondent number 3, my lord.
Yes.
For the college, my lord.
Hmm.
Number. I'm for respondent number 4.
Hmm. Hmm. What is the matter?
He is praying, my lord, that he will be allowed to operate his bank account, my lord. That was-
Now you have no, it is still in freeze. It has not been defreezed.
As per the statement of account, he is, even after filing the repetition, he has withdrawn amount.
So
Is it so?
it defreeze, I think.
You are for?
And he is having loan account with the bank. And this is the loan account, actually, the salary comes.
So there is already transaction.
Yes.
He's operating the bank account. None appears for the petitioner on call. It is noticed that on 18/10/2023 also petitioner was not represented. Next para. Matter pertains to we'll just say matter pertains to matter relates to freezing of account of the petitioner being saving account number 3039830196 to the State Bank of India, New Guwahati branch, Guwahati. List of Mr. K.K. Nandi, London Standing Counsel for the State Bank of India. State Bank of India, by placing the statement of accounts, submits that the petitioner is operating the said bank account. I said so. Mr. Next para. Perusal of the copy of the statement of account submitted by Mr. Nandi, non-counsel for the bank, indeed reflects that the petitioner is operating the said bank account. In view of the above, no surviving, there is no issue. No, in view of above, no issue is survived to be adjudicated upon. And perhaps in view of that, the petitioner remains unrepresented today remains unrepresented. Accordingly, the petition states closed as infructuous. The copy of the statement account is kept on record and marked as documents X. Yes,
Item 22, Lordship.
yes.
Lordship will file our reply. We are yet to receive our instruction, Lordship.
Reply.
Yes.
What is the matter?
Lordship, the matter is about eviction. Eviction, Lordship.
So what is their stand? Who are you?
I'm
Are you an encroacher?
Encroacher, Lordship.
Then
Lordship,
matter ends there. You are admitting that you are an encroacher. Then
Lordship,
obviously eviction will be carried out. Beckett will give you 15 days time.
No, Lordship,
What is the land, nature of the land? How they are occupying?
Forest land, my.
15 days time.
no, Lordship, the petitioner has already been evicted, Lordship.
Okay, then
We are
what
paying-
remains?
We are paying for compensation, Lordship.
What compensation? When you are an encroacher? Compensation would be paid to those who is legally occupied or validly settled.
Lordship, there are,
You argue the matter, we'll dispose of the matter.
Lordship, there are, Lordship, actually, the thing is, those who have encroached, Sonitpur district administration, those who have encroached, have illegally encroached, as the land is under Nagaon district administration.
Who is illegally encroached?
We have not illegally encroached, but those who have,
There are some persons who have illegally encroached. So you want that they should be allowed to illegally encroach as that of those illegal encroachers.
Lordship will need some time to file our reply, Lordship.
What reply? You are admitting you are a encroacher in the forest land. Already evicted. What more you want? Don't give false hope to the petitioners.
Lordship will be filing our reply.
If they are not entitled for any, the relief, tell them clearly. You have done your job, you have filed a writ petition, we'll consider it. No relief can be granted. These people are,
Lordship,
what these people, what the petitioners are?
yes, sir, are those who were living in that
Villagers.
Villagers, Lordship. There are more than 140 people, Lordship, petitioners.
So don't keep them in the dark and don't give them a false hope. Forest land, you are encroacher, nothing, no rehabilitation, nothing. No relief can be granted.
Lordship,
Is there any scheme for rehabilitation or what?
that I have to, then,
Huh?
that I need some time, Lordship.
No. What is the nature of your prayer? Let us see. To pay the adequate compensation by assessing the value of the properties belonging to which are demolished by the respondents by carrying the illegal eviction, by the patta land, rehabilitate. Anyway, last chance. Since you appears to be not comfortable today on the prayer of Mr.
K. Majumdar.
K. Majumdar, Learned Counsel for petitioners in item 22,
22, Lordship.
WPC 3910 of 2023. Further 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in reply. What about 21?
Same issue. Same, my lord.
Same issue, but on
What is your stand?
on 17/10/2025, it is an order that Forest Department will furnish a copy of affidavit so that I can.
You have not been furnished.
No, they have not furnished copy, Lord.
Who is Forest Department? Mr. Das, tell him to furnish them.
Forest. Actually, they filed that affidavit in item 22. So Forest Department was directed to furnish a copy.
Just inform the Learned Counsel for the Forest Department, Standing Council Forest Department to furnish the copy of the affidavit of opposition to Mr.
MS Alam. MS Alam.
MS Alam, Learned Counsel for the petition WPC 2688/2023. List after 2 weeks.
21 of now. Item 21 of the.
Item 26.
May please, Your Lordship.
Sarmaji,
Yes, sir.
yes, what is to be done?
Lordship, actually, the Boroland University of India has submitted their affidavit, but the others have not filed their affidavit.
Who?
So it is necessary. This is their.
Who has submitted the affidavit?
Resolution number 6.
Who is respondent number 6? Huh?
Boroland University.
Boroland University.
There are other respondents.
Or Mr. A. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. You are for respondent number 6. Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the respondent number 6 submits that he has filed the affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 6. Mr. Yes, madam. Are you appearing? On the prayer of MS Bibu, learned senior counsel, sends for BTC, further 2 weeks time is granted to, 3 weeks time granted to file affidavit in opposition. This is after 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
Obliged.
Item 27.
May I appear, Lordship? Lordship, the repetition, another repetition pending. That's along with the said repetition, repeat number 437223. Along with the same repetition, Lordship.
So why this has been listed today?
Similar matter, Lordship.
What is the matter?
Matter is Sparta, Lordship.
Hmm?
It can be solved. So that it comes to the prayer part. There is to dispose of the presentation that they have. Page 7, directing the respondent to dispose of the application that is well to submitted jointly by the petitioner in respect of the homestead land measuring so and so under final Khatiyan number so and so. The main concern that representation was not disposed of.
No, it's okay. Are they entitled? You'll have to tell. Why unnecessary burden to them? Burden to you? If they are not entitled, what's the question of disposal of the representation?
That instructions, Lordship, I have not yet, that is why.
Again, speaking order, again, they'll come back. We'll settle since they have approached us, we'll settle. Or we'll direct them to simply consider disposal application.
Lordship, kindly may leave the matter along with the said repetition, Lordship.
What? What is the, you argue this writ petition, that if it is similar matter, the order will follow. Order passed in this, this will follow if it is similar matter. You argue the matter here. You argue this matter.
Next week, Lordship.
Huh?
After application, Lordship.
Heard, mister, then we'll direct you to dispose of, consider and dispose of the representation. Yes, what do you say? Huh? Next, heard, mister? Yes.
The representation which they have added there, that can be. Amended writ petition, Lordship, as because there was an IA for amendment of that. I know.
Yes. Dispose of. Will dispose of the matter, directing them to consider your application as spread by you. heard Mr.
H Islam,
A. Islam,
H Islam.
H. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioners, and also heard Miss M.S. N. Bordoloi, learned standing counsel for Revenue Department, and Mr. H. Sharma, learned state counsel for respond number 2 and 3. Considering next para, the simple grievance, a simple nature of the prayer made in this writ petition, and as agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, this writ petition is taken up and disposed of by this order, huh? Next para. Disposed by this at the motion stage, huh? No, sorry, admission stage, sorry. Next para. The petitioner, 4 in numbers, by filing this writ petition, has prayed for a simple direction to the respondent authorities to dispose of the application dated 22/02/2023, submitted jointly by the petitioner in the structure of the land measuring 2.0 acre within practice, no, 2 acres under final KHATIN, Kaitan, number 93, covered by tag number 910 within bracket, old bracket close, oblique 758 within bracket, new bracket close of Moja Fatehpur, part 2, part 1, Roman 2, huh? Roman 1, sorry, part Roman 1, comma, PH dash Agarsati in the under the jurisdiction of Karimganj, in the district of Karimganj. List of
Now is Sri Bhumi. Now Sri Bhumi.
the petitioners, next para, claims to be the surviving legal heirs of the late Abdul Noor, comma, son of late Abdul Qadir. Contains that their grandfather and great grandfather occupied the subject land measuring 2.0 acres out of 5.22 acres covered by DAG number 752 old, same, huh? Oblique 910 new under Mohal Dasana, comma, Taluk number 1580 of 2024 of Abdul Goni, comma, final Khatian, huh? KHATIN, huh? Number 93, comma, Moja Fatehpur, same, huh? Part Roman 1 in the district of then Kachar, now presently Karimganj district, huh? The petitioners claim that late Abdul Qadir was holding a possession of the said land, was in occupation and possession of the subject land in his name, and accordingly was entered as riot in Katiyan number 93. Stuff. According to the petitioners, they have inherited the subject land after the demise of their father and their father late Abdul Noor. List of the petitioners have also applied for inclusion of their names in the Gatian. However, the respondent authorities that considering the request of the petitioner to record their name has made the subject land into Khas land, huh? KHAS, huh? Khas land. List of, it is the contention of the petitioner that when they have a right to get their names recorded in the revenue records in terms of the provisions of Assam State Acquisition of Jamindaris Act 1951, which was applicable in the Edswell district of Kachar. Mr. Therefore, submits that the applications dated 22/02/2023 jointly submitted by petitioner may be directed to be considered and disposed of. Please stop. Next one. Having considered the simple nature of prayer made by the petitioner for disposal of their their joint applications for recording their names in the revenue records in terms of the applicable provisions of law. And as agreed to by learned counsel for the respondents, MSN Bordoloi, learned standing counsel, and Mr. H. Sharma, learned state counsel. I deem it appropriate to dispose of this writ petition with a direction to the respondent authorities to dispose of the application dated 22/02/2023, jointly submitted by the petitioners in accordance with law. Accordingly, the writ petition is disposed of with it. No. Accordingly, the respondents' authorities are directed. Who will dispose of? Who will dispose of? Authority, who is the authority? Who is the authority?
Number 3.
Deputy Commissioner, where is the application? Where is the application?
Page number 18.
That's number 3.
They have written it in the circle of Hyderabad, this to the deputy.
Huh? No, please stop. Accordingly, what I said, I didn't. No, we'll say, deem it appropriate to direct the petitioners, huh? You file an application, petitioner, to file application before the district commissioner, Karimganj district.
Sribhumi, Lordship.
Huh?
Now it's Sribhumi. Karimganj.
Karimganj name is changed, Lordship. Now it is Sribhumi.
Then you said Karimganj, now presently, somewhere I said, thereafter Karimganj, now presently Sribhumi. Sribhumi. Yeah, somewhere we said, no, presently. Commissioner Sribhumi district, within a period of 20 days from today.
Right.
20 days from today, for please stop. On receipt of such application that will be filed by the petitioners, the respondent, the district commissioner, Sribhumi district shall consider and dispose of the applications of the petitioners within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt of the said applications.
That's.
I think that's the all that I think we need to, it's okay, correct? Represent this code.
Item 29.
Yes,
River, but under the scheme lordship is not entitled to.
why?
Because under the SDR, if your lordship comes to page 19 of the repetition.
It's okay, nobody is appearing. Not appears to the petitioner on call. In the interest of the, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. Do you record his name? Non appears for prisoner, Mr. H. Malani State Council is present, and both of them. Ulungi Pasulan. Yes, any instruction?
File, my lord.
Hmm?
Our office could not trace out the file,
Not
my lord.
appears
We
for
don't have the
petitioner on
copies
call.
also, my lord.
All MS Emberman State Council. You're supposed to obtain instruction.
My lord,
Copies are not.
copies are,
MSN Bordolin and MS Berman Learned Council, Listening Council, when the instance granted further 3 weeks time to obtain instruction.
there may be a direction for service of copy, my lord.
You don't have the copy. Get it Xerox and give it. What is this? What is the matter? Huh?
For compensation.
You get it Xerox and give it to them. Or are they state as so poor that you cannot copy? So,
Not given
so
to
you
me.
get the second copy and
I
get
can
it
make it,
Xerox.
my lord. I can make it of my own.
Huh?
Yes.
32.
One 25.
Yes.
My lord, they have to, my lord, the authority has to take the demarcation first, my lord, because it was already, my lord, submitted long back and 22, in 2022. Till now, my lord, they have not done it. They were directed to obtain that, my lord. The minister also, the affidavit, my lord, submitted that without, my lord, proper demarcation, nothing can be.
Yes.
But the response number 5 will demolish the first and second floor staircase, my lord. But because if you go for.
Yes, have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
Saying what?
Lordship, we have no objection. That is affidavit dated 31/10/2025. We have mentioned that if under the 31/10.
If you go for.
Can you raise it, I mean, little louder?
For demolish the, my lord, ground floor staircase, my lord. It will, my lord, affect the boundary wall of the petitioner, my lord. If we agree, my lord.
Yes, Lordship, we have filed the affidavit. In that affidavit, there are
We have-
4 Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
For Lordship, we have specifically mentioned under the supervision of respondent 3, if respondent number 5 demolish the illegal part, then we don't have any objection, Lordship.
No, that can be done, my lord. Only thing, my lord, the demarcation is to be done, my lord. That your lordship may direct. No, demarcation, no, there is no boundary wall. So they go access properly, my lord. Especially in Punjab. Especially say, my lord, at page 97 of the.
97. 97. Saying what?
Section, the exact position cannot be assessed. The boundary wall on the southern side of respondent is adjoining the wall and there is no gap in between. Had it been common boundary wall, construction of petitioner shop also should have been there, leaving with side setback as per north building the building bylaws and rules. So demarcation is very much necessary, my lord, here. The losses may direct, my lord, the government, but my lord, so that, my lord, demarcation can be done. At page 60, my application is there, my lord.
So who is stopping from, if there is no proper demarcation, is there any restraint?
Municipality also should have, my lord, asked them to do it.
Has this court restrained from making a demarcation?
That is why court directed, my lord, that.
113, my lord, we have requested the circle officer to demarcate the land, my lord. But it is now, it is up to the circle officer.
Yes. Who has to demarcate? Circle officer. So.
Page 113, my lord.
113. That is correct, my lord. Without demarcation, my lord, it cannot be done, my lord. That's all.
You obtain instruction.
Yes, sir.
We'll take it after 2 weeks. I mean, will not pass order, but it's your duty to do it. If they say that, that in the absence of demarcation, proper demarcation, who has to do the demarcation? It's obligated on you. Just advise them to do it and come back with the instruction.
27 on 25, my lord, directed, my lord, to obtain instruction, my lord, regarding this.
27?
Order dated.
What steps is taken by respondent to regard to the complaint lodged by respondent wherein containing the enforcement of in construction of Pakka wall over his land?
So made by the petitioner. This is the, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the prison, and Mr. G.N. Sahewala, learned senior counsel, assisted by so-and-so. For respondent number? 5, and Mr. S. Borthakur, and Mr. as well as Mr.
1 and 4. 1 and 4, my lord.
H.
M. Setia.
M. Setia. On the prayer of Mr. M. Setia, Learned State Council, further 2 weeks' time is granted to obtain instruction as regard the demarcation of the land. 2 weeks. Keep it.
Item 33.
Wait, please, your lordship. In this case, the opponent has not yet filed their affidavit.
Lordship, that petition disposed of, Chief Information Commission has disposed of that representation.
Then I have to take instructions, your lordship.
No, you see.
There was a appeal filed by me, your lordship.
What is your the prayer here?
The right to information act, your lordship. I have paid that some information we provided to me, your lordship. My appeal was.
So you have filed an appeal?
Yes, sir.
So it was not disposed of?
Yes, sir.
So we have come against that?
Yes, sir.
So once
Now
it is disposed of, then?
Disposed of, your lordship.
Then?
I've given a copy.
Heard Mr. T. Dewey, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. M.S. M. Berman, Learned Counsel, for what? Learned State Council, by placing the order dated 12/12, the copy of the order dated 12/12/2023, passed by the Assam Information Committee. What is this?
Chief information.
That's one number 3, lordship.
Respondent
Chief
number 3.
Information. State Chief Information Commissioner, Assam, whereby the appeal, filed by the petitioner, and the right to, what is it? Under right to?
Right to information.
Right to Information Act 2005 has been disposed of in view of above as fairly accepted the parties. The writ petition has become infructuous accordingly. It was same states closed as infructuous. The copy of the order dated 12/12/2023 is kept on record. Marked as the.
Deeply obliged.
X, huh? We said in progress, right?
Yes. Appeal has been disposed of, Your Lordship. Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this matter pertaining to ex gratia payment, Your Lordship. Your
Ah.
Lordship, the husband of the petitioner had expired on 5/2/2022, and thereafter they file an application before the District Commissioner of Barpata for seeking ex gratia relief as per the notification 14/11/2014. Issued by.
So, yes,
Commissioner has passed for his entitlement of ex gratia amount, my lord. Now it is before the Revenue Authority for approval.
it has been approved.
Approval has to come from.
Approve it.
Come from the revenue. My lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. MS so-and-so learned counsel for the learned state council by placing the order dated, copy of the order dated 7/2/2024. Submits that the district commissioner and chairman DDMA,
Yeah.
comma, Barpata.
It is all.
This is what, already sanctioned.
Sanction, Your Lordship.
Now it is sent for approval. To the Revenue Department for the money matter.
It's a formalities only. An amount of rupees 2 lakhs have already been sanctioned. Being the ex gratia in favor of the
Kotomari complaints to him to pay.
petitioner. In favor of the petitioner. List of MS. According to the, no, MS, the learned state council submits that only the approval of the revenue department is awaited. In view of MS and border learned state, standing council revenue department is to obtain instruction. List after a week, 1 week or 2 weeks. 2 weeks, huh? If it is not approved, you get it approved by next week.
Surplus.
36.
Yes,
Kindly fix it after Bihu vacation.
yes,
Kindly fix it after Bihu vacation.
why? You have not filed affidavit in reply. File affidavit in reply,
22/3.
reply.
No, affidavit, my lord.
I'm saying reply.
Or reply.
They have sought for a time to file reply. Have you filed? Further, on the prayer of MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Further, 2 weeks time is granted to file affidavit in reply. Just after 2 weeks.
Item 43.
May I please, Your Lordship? I thought it was not a matter of contextual difference. But you already responded, admitted in page 29, Lordship.
Lordship, our instructions are awaited, my lord, in this matter.
This is what is this?
That
What is your claim?
Not a matter of contextual way, Lordship.
part payment has been done and my lord, as per Tamshir Ali, my lord, authorities are.
Not Mr. So-and-so learned, you obtain instruction.
Lordship. and,
So-and-so learned
copy may
counsel,
be
just the
provided.
status of his.
An
Learned
extra
counsel for
copy
the
may be
petition.
provided to me.
MS. Nibora learned state council. Still, BTC to obtain instruction. Huh?
One extra copy may be provided.
Lordship, I think I have.
extra copies be. Extra copies of writ petition be furnished to the learned MS Swenshaw, learned counsel. This after 2 weeks,
4 weeks, my lord.
That many things.
3 weeks.
Obliged.
May I plead the Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, in the last occasions, Lordship, an instruction was sought.
In 3-4 weeks time, the instructions are awaited.
Lordship, my case is very simple case. Lordship, in this case, the Zilla Parishad has entered an agreement with me, Lordship. Zilla Parishad has entered an agreement with me regarding the lease of
Zilla Parishad.
Zilla Parishad.
Yes.
Regarding the lease of my land to shift it their land market, Lordship, and I will be.
Not Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for on the prayer of Mr. A.K. Ghosh, learned counsel appearing on behalf of K. Kaur, learned additional advocate general. Further 2 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction.
Lordship, kindly given a date, Lordship.
2 weeks, give the date.
Kindly.
9 February. 46. 45 or 14?
This case, I am appearing.
Hmm?
This is the first appearance possible. We need to some time to file affidavit.
You are for?
For respondent number 8, Lord.
8.
8, Lord.
What about the state? The state is not required to file any affidavit. Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr.
PT House, Lord.
ABT Hawk, learned counsel enters appearance on behalf of respondent number
8.
8. Both Mr. So-and-so, Mr. H. Sharma, learned state counsel, and Mr. Hawk, learned for respondent number 8 are granted 3 weeks time to file their affidavit in opposition. Affidavits in opposition.
My lord, I have filed this writ petition against the order of the revenue board, my lord.
Yes.
So the notice was
It's
issued.
second
Now-
time, right?
Now the government has to file affidavit, my lord.
Yes.
Record is necessary because the revenue board order has been challenged in this.
Let the affidavit.
Heard Mr. B. Chetri, learned counsel for the petitioner. And all, the Mr. MS and Bordole, learned state council for revenue, learned standing council revenue department for respondent number 1 and MS B. Burman, M. Burman, state council for respondent number 2, 3, and 4. And Mr. R. Sharma, learned counsel, Mr. Phrase for and granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit.
Call for me.
The record be called for.
The interim order. passed
The
on-
state council to,
It's from the registry.
okay, records be called for.
The interim order passed earlier. shall
Interim order passed earlier shall continue. This is a issue of maintainability.
No, my lord.
That has been, they accepted.
Yes, yes, my lord, my lord. My lord.
It
that
is shown by the son.
Lordship.
Would have
Yeah,
showing
shown
that
by the
whether he is
son.
the agent or
That
whatever.
part. Order.
Anyway, I will not go into all this.
Yes.
We'll go by memory.
Yes, yes.
This court is not interested in technicalities.
That,
We'll go by the substance,
yes.
substantial justice.
Obliged.
Obidas. Yes. Huh? You see. Yes.
Petitioners.
Yes,
This is Inspector.
saying what?
The police station before the IO is required. My lord, in the case of their suspending is a human trafficking.
Huh?
It's a human trafficking, my lord.
No,
My
no,
lord-
when the petitioner says that she's
No, no, my
measured
lord,
and she has,
but he is untraceable for last several months. And my lord, she only retain a letter, send a letter to the police station that I am well, I am voluntarily ill. But however, my lord, if you now go through the instruction. If she does not say before the IO that I have voluntarily eloped, then case will be over, my lord. Her husband, her parents file a FIR about her missing.
she is measured, she's 20 years of age. And she said that she left the parental house voluntarily. So how can you force them, I mean, that
That facts, if she reveals before the IO, that there is no case, my lord.
Hmm?
If that fact is revealed by the petitioner before the IO.
So there's a protection, you just go and record the statement, that's all.
My lord, she is outside Assam.
Where?
There from the instructions, she is probably in Kolkata, my lord.
Issue a notice. It's up to you. Issue notice. Issue notice to her. Huh?
Missing person, where
She is in Calcutta.
she is outside Assam, my lord.
They have given the address in the petition.
Then
but nobody. None appears for the petition on call. However, it is informed that the petitioner is supposed to appear through virtual mode. Well, at least after 3 weeks. Mr. Huh? Locally Learned State Council has placed the instruction from the
Senior Superintendent of Police, Kokrajhar, my lord.
from the Superintendent of Police, Kokrajhar, which is kept on record for further consideration. Which is kept on record, huh? Yes.
Matter was listed day before yesterday, my lord.
Huh.
When the situation arises, if the state commission direct the authority to particular agency to submit the particulars, and government also directed the particular agency to submit the documents. If the agency does not submit, then what will be the consequence? And your lordship directed me to obtain instruction from my client, but he has instructed me not to withdraw the petition because during pendency of the writ petition, another order has been passed by the commission. Your lordship, if the writ petition is withdrawn, my lord, then the agency will never supply the document because they are applied.
What supply?
The agency will not supply any document any further because we are seeking documents regarding supply of PDS item with meal. But they have stated that we have written only 5 years document. Why? There is no explanation. As per.
It's not your wish. Whether the writ petition is maintainable or not, that we'll have to see.
Your lordship may perish this order. my lord.
What order?
The passed by the state commission. my lord.
We're not concerned. If you are agreed by, it's not brought on record.
I will brought.
Who has passed this order? Are you challenging that?
No, my lord, it's in my favor.
If it is in your favor, what is the consequences? I tell you, I told you.
I will file an additional affidavit.
What additional affidavit? See, Information Commissioner, Commission has passed an order in your favor.
Yes.
They are
twice.
not complying with it.
Yes.
Then what is the consequences? You approach the commission.
We have already approached, my lord, twice.
Then why they are not taking it? Are you agreed by inaction of the commission?
No, they have taken, let them file affidavit. my
No,
lord, also not filed affidavit.
What is the consequences?
You
There's
know,
a penalty.
They will.
There's a
impose-
provision for penalty.
Yeah, they have, there is.
So who will impose that? This court will impose or what?
Commission will. impose that.
Then
Let them.
you approach, not let the, who are there? Commission.
Yes.
You approach the commission that
Their stand is not.
your order has not been complied with. So what is the, there's a penal consequences.
They-
Penalty is there. So
They will clarify, my lord, what will.
what
action will-
clarify? Mr. Sharma, why don't you understand?
Well, your lordship have brought.
The order is in your favor. The respondents are not complying with it. So under the act, what is the consequences?
There is penalty provision.
So
Penalty will impose.
who will impose this?
By the authorities.
So you go there,
We have already approached, my lord,
where?
before the commission.
Then what they say?
They have said that if, my lord, last line, my lord, this commission also direct the SPIU, State Public Information Officer, Assistant Public Distribution Consumer, to take urgent action to get the balance in.
Yes, it's under process.
Not problematic.
Are you challenging that? Instead of imposing a penalty, they are passing these orders. Are you challenging that?
Within 15 days, that time has also been expired, my lord.
So,
So I'll bring on record this order.
no, sorry, Mr. Sharma, I try to make you understand.
So you lordship may pass appropriate order. I have instruction not to withdraw, my lord.
It's not a question of your wish, the petitioner to withdraw or not to withdraw, whether the writ petition is maintainable or not.
Let it come after vacation, my lord. I'll satisfy, my lord.
You argue, we'll dismiss.
I'll satisfy, my lord, after vacation.
No,
I'll-
you argue now. Should not be issued direct the state so and so appears to furnish the complete information as sought for by petitioner so and as per the order so and so. How can we, why not post office?
My lord, page 22, this is the
Why not executing authority under the RTI?
page 22, this is also order passed by the Food and Civil Supply Department to the concerned mill. And the mill has not complied with the direction of the superior authority. Then I approach the court is honorable court to direct then the official respondent to take up action, my lord, against them.
Where's your action?
Page 22, my lord.
Where's your prayer? Where is your prayer here?
My lord, page 22, this is the document.
Not documents, where is your prayer?
My directing the state public information to furnish the complete information, but because we cannot ask for the
We
document.
cannot direct, number one. Then,
Then, my lord, then my information will remain inconclusive, my lord. I will never get any information from the, if they have not
why
taken
you are
any
not
action,
trying to understand?
if they have not taken any action against the concerned mill, then I will not be able to get the information.
Add Mr. So and Sharma Land Council for the petitioner. We're dismissing your writ petition.
On merit, my lord.
Huh?
Or let it come after vacation, I'll bring on record this document, two documents, important documents.
On the insistent prayers of Mr. N. Sharma Land Council for the petitioner. I will record this. You record their names, huh?
For number 2, deed access.
Who is one? Who is one?
Government, my lord.
M. Burman.
1, 3, 4, and 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then,
Three.
as the senior council, Learned Senior Counsel for assisted by so and so, respond number 6. Then on the vehement insistence for adjournment of the matter, although this court finds prima facie not maintainable on consideration of the matter since he entered the comma, let this matter be listed after 6 weeks. 6 weeks. You take enough space and decide. It's not maintainable at all. How you are indirectly asking this court to execute the order of the Information Commission.
My senior friend also may direct my lord the authority to furnish the document.
And what sorts of I mean,
My lord, there is no explanation why they have not supplied. This is the
Mr. Sharma, are you in your
no, my lord.
sense?
No, man. After next.
It's been 2 days. I'm indicating you.
Yeah. After that.
6 weeks. All right. I'm giving you enough space.
Obliged.
Item 60.
Anyway, make it 4 weeks. Make it 4 weeks.
Item 60.
May appeal, Lordship.
Yes.
Case Miller, a similar issue already decided by the coordinate bench Miller. Issue is similar.
Yes.
At the first meeting of the Gao Panchayat Miller, our petitioners are 6 Miller.
Hmm.
Propose the name of the petitioner number 1 and 2 for the president and vice president Miller. And others Miller, respondent Miller, 9, 10, 11 Miller. They are the proposer of the respondent number 8 and 9 for the president, vice president Miller. But in the meantime, Miller, some altercation took place in the office Miller, and as such Miller, petitioners were dragged out from the office Miller and subsequently declared that subsequently no election selection was held for the president and vice president Miller. But unfortunately, and the respondent authority declared the respondent 8 and 9 as the elected president and vice president of the Gao Panchayat. And in this regard, Miller, petitioner filed application 11 of the Panchayat Act before the DC. Regarding anomalies of in the first meeting, and accordingly, hearing was conducted, but no result was declared till date meeting.
Declared and elected.
Miller, what happened in this case Miller? 1/27/2020.
Yes.
I am for the respondent 8 and 9. Already they have selected your first meeting. As per section 11, any grievance they can approach the deputy commissioner. As per section 11 of the.
Already we approached Miller.
It's a preliminary
Deputy
case.
commissioner conducted inquiry.
Where
No
it
result
is?
was declared.
Where it is?
Section 11 of the.
No, where it is? Your
Representation page 39.
39.
Yes. 41 Miller. Kindly see first application is page 39. Second is 41. As per section 11.
So your the deputy commissioner is duty bound to dispose of.
Yes.
Then Yes, Deputy Commissioner. District Commissioner. You obtain instruction. By now, this might have been disposed of. Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Considering that the grievance of the, considering the grievance of the petitioners,
Petitioners.
to the effect that the petitioner, to the effect. No, consider the grievance of the petitioner for a direction to dispose of the application filed under section 11
11 of the
Of-
Panchayat Act.
Panchayat Act
Yes,
1994,
1994.
Mr. H. Sharma, Learned State Council to obtain instruction list after 2
After
weeks.
vacation, Milord.
2 weeks, huh?
After vacation.
2 weeks, huh?
I mean, item 58 also same fact. 57.
58,
57. 57. 57.
57,
Yes.
same order.
Same order may be passed.
57, same order.
Here is also filed representation.
Same order will pass in same, huh? Same order in item 57. 56 and 57. No, 57. Okay. Yes, 57, same order. 57, you are appearing. Same order.
Same.
Respond number 8 years.
61. Date may be given, Milord, after.
Give the, nothing.
Otherwise, Milord, again, I have to.
Next. He'll give you the date.
These two cases, Lordship, may I pray, Lordship, 3 weeks, as because there's a, next week is a holiday, Lordship. After 3 weeks, Lordship. After 3 weeks, Lordship, as
You
because.
want to enjoy the bihu to the fullest.
After Bihu, Milord, no problem. After Bihu,
Invite us also. Share the celebration.
Lordship.
61.
60.
61, Lordship, may I pray for some more time, Lordship, we have not received.
Heard MS
KDB.
KDB, Learned Council for the petitioner. On the prayer of Mr. H. Sharma, Learned State Council, and Mr. A. Fukhar, Learned State Council. Then you just record his name first, then H. Sharma. A. Fukhar, Learned State Council, GAD. For respondent number 1 and Mr. H. Sharma, Learned State Council. For respondent number, other respondent, state respondents. Further, 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Otherwise, case will not be listed, and again I have to mention.
Mention it.
No, my lord, then.
You don't want to lose the votes or what?
We have to mention before the register, my lord, then register.
Mention it once there.
Fix a date, my lord.
It's the
otherwise-
second time, is
Actually,
it?
Lordship can dispose it.
Madam,
of
this is
this
listed
case
for second
because-
time. We are having cases on board since 2014, 15,
Yes, yes.
16. 3 weeks.
This order, item 50.
Yes,
React with lordship, IA lordship with 24 lordship. For condemnation of delay lordship, it's pending lordship.
condemnation of delay of what? For what?
Condemnation of delay
To
lordship.
file
for
repetition.
with Substitution of. In lordship, in the main case lordship, respondent number 3 already expired lordship. Thereafter, I have filed IA for substitution.
Yes, you have filed it.
Yes, lordship.
Which IA?
360 lordship, 360 of 2024.
360.
Lord.
It's for substitution.
Substitution.
So what is the delay?
Delay lordship. This is delay lordship for substitution petition lordship. Delay lordship 577 days lordship. Already notice issue lordship, but service not completed lordship upon respondent number 3.1 and 3.2 lordship.
What's MS so-and-so Learned Council for the heard Mr. MS so-and-so Your name, please?
P. Udigari,
Learned Council for ever service reports in respect of respondent number 3.
3.1 and 3.2.
Huh?
3.1 and 3.2.
3.1 and 3.2. List after 3 weeks. All, huh? It will be together. Common on.
Kindly peruse the order dated 5/12/2025, my lord.
5/12 or 11/12?
My lord, 11 is subsequent, my lord, is a known one appearance for the respondent side, but 5/12/2025, I have to receive instruction, my lord. Direction, my lord. Till, my lord, I have received instruction, my lord, that said petition, my lord, may be closed with a liberty to approach the competent authority for demarcation as per, my lord, Assam
Or
Public.
Mr. P. Patgiri, K.R. Patgiri, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with a liberty to approach the appropriate authority.
My lord, as per, my lord, Assam right to
In
Public
terms of
Service
the,
Act
in terms,
2012.
huh?
Assam Right to Public Service Act 2012, my lord.
In terms of the applicable, as per the relevant laws, as per the relevant law.
My lord.
In terms of the applicable law, huh? Mr. Who is one, who is two? Kindly we request that who is, I mean, chronologically, you just make a, I mean, and us Learned State Council, Standing Council. State Council for respondent number 1 and MSN Bordaloi. State Standing Council Revenue Department are present accordingly.
Right.
And the prayer for withdrawal is accepted accordingly. Writ petition stands closed as withdrawn with a liberty as prayed for.
Your lordship.
I am for 3-4.
Please tell her.
And I'm 3-4.
MSN Bordaloi, Learned Standing Council Revenue for respondent number 1 and 2, and thus State Council for
3 and 4.
3, 4.
Yes, your lordship.
That's why I was wondering, how can the C be below you? She is always in the first.
Like revenue always first.
Yes. The great revenue.
Lordship, by last order of the Honorable Court, the Honorable Court has directed the respondent number 4 to file an affidavit in the matter. Otherwise, to remain him personally present. Look, I have filed a small affidavit today. Basically, I have prayed for, I have apprised the Honorable Court that the Deputy Commissioner, respondent number 4, he has joined on 4th of January, 4/1/2026. And he wants some time to get acquainted with the matter. And kindly, he has prayed for 3 weeks time for filing the affidavit. Otherwise, an affidavit has been filed today. A small affidavit, he could not go through the entire
this
record.
is filed on 9th.
Today in the morning. Basically, we have prayed for some time.
MS so-and-so Learned Counsel for the petitioner. This court on 31/10/2025, 31/10/2025, directed the respondent, Mr. Respondent number 4 and 5 to file affidavit.
Right? Dalia Sama Saison.
Else the petitioners, the respondents shall remain present to explain the circumstances in responding in circumstances with regard to delay in responding to the writ petition. Please, sir. Mr. Sorry, Dinath, by filing an application, affidavit today, submits that in view of the assuming of charge by additional,
DC also, my lord. But the DC, response number 4, DC. Para
the deputy commissioner, district commissioner, Kachar, comma. And the assuming of the charge recently, recently, i.e. on 04/01/2026. We'll just say district commissioner and additional,
both. One DC.
4 and 5.
No, ADC is the concerned person, my lord. He also came recently on 24/12. The Lordship has directed the response number 4 to file the affidavit. We have indicated that both response number 4 and the ADC concerned, he has also joined newly. That we have indicated, my lord.
12 is not the recent.
Yes. 12, my lord.
Then you write,
Lordship.
what I say? Mr. Nath, Mr. D. Nath, Lane Senior Counsel, Senior Government Advocate, no, what I've said? Senior Government Advocate.
Assuming of charge.
Charges by the recently, by the district commissioner. And additional district commissioner within bracket revenue, comma, Kachar, on 04/01/2026 and 24/12/2025 respectively. No, not respect, so and so, It's the, sometime may be granted to file the affidavit, required affidavit as directed. Yes, any objection?
No objection, but at date may be fixed, my lord. One date may be fixed, my lord, because 22 meters.
Lordship may fix a date, my lord. I have prayed for 3 weeks time, my lord. Kindly grant us time, my lord. We'll file the affidavit in the
Considering that,
time.
I think that is very important. Considering that the response number 4 and the additional deputy district commissioner within bracket revenue, Kachar, have joined recently, has assumed the charges recently, comma. Further, 2 weeks time is 2 weeks. 3 weeks time is granted to Mr. D. Nath, Senior Government Advocate, to file response as directed by this court. List after 3 weeks on, you just give that date.
Lordship, highly obliged, my lord.
As per the last order, the respondents were supposed to file an affidavit in opposition.
Heard Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petitioner. In view of the order of Lajima Court that is 17/12/2025, the service of notice upon the respondent number 7 is deemed completed. Is completed, Is completed. List the matter for admission hearing. Admission after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the respondents may file their affidavits. Yes.
May I please, sir?
I is for what?
I is for amendment to the writ petition, madam. Some amendment is required.
They'll issue notice. Let
Yeah,
them
they-
say.
They don't object, then amendment be allowed, madam.
Objection is not there, my lord, but one thing I would like to point out, my lord, in respect of his
We'll
challenge
issue
to the
notice. We'll issue notice. Let them say whatever
Yes,
they
madam.
want. And Mr.
B. Sinha.
B. Sinha, learned counsel for the applicant, This is an application seeking amendment of the writ petition being WPC number 612 of 2025.
Amendment, my lord.
Yes, then
One thing I would like to point out, my lord, he is challenging the notice, eviction notice dated 11/12/2024 in respect of Dock number 276 old and 368 new, my lord. So far as our affidavit is concerned, my lord, we are saying that his position is in Dock number, lordship, 381, not in 368. Now he is trying to
That
correct
also-
that thing,
Yes,
my
that's
lord.
all.
But
is a
so
thing.
for other part of our affidavit, my lord, it shows that
that's what I'm
368
saying.
yes,
That's
368
the
related
reason,
to.
that's the reason you should object. That will change the color of the petition.
If he wants to.
Then also saying that I am in 381.
But
So also the writ petition bona fide mistake that I have spelled out as 368.
That is not an amendment. See, after the filing of the affidavit, you are seeking the amendment. It's change the color, which cannot be allowed. That's the reason I said you should file an objection. Rather, Mr. Bisina,
Yes, ma'am.
you better to withdraw this and file a fresh.
I'm just
Because
going
that
to
will have
suggest
a, technically it will have a difficult.
Interim is there, madam, interim.
Huh?
Interim is there.
You file immediately. Tomorrow they are not going to do anything. It's better. Don't complicate your matter. You immediately file, we'll consider that since there is an interim. It's materially, substantially change the color of the
yes,
petition.
change the color.
This is a crux.
Next week is.
See, you are seeking
Yes,
number
yes.
one. They said you are not in number one. Is not it?
Yes,
Now you come to know that they say that you are not entitled to number two.
mistake.
You said you wanted, I'm in number two. That cannot be allowed to be
Problem is
amended.
that, the problem is that next week is, entire week is a holiday, madam.
So you think about,
So-
and he will not issue notice then.
Then,
On the prayer of Mr.
Yes,
B.
yes.
Sinha, London Council
Yes.
for the petitioner. Applicant, list this matter after a week.
after-
Think about it.
yes, ma'am.
Obliged.
It's a good ground for objection.
Objection.
You said no objection. How can you?
To that extent, no, my lord, I would like to say that
The issue you have pointed out, the point you have raised,
have been raising.
it is a reason to object the
If
amendment.
lordship issues notice, I will, my.
No, we're not issuing notice. Will issue notice or what?
No. It may come after next week, ma'am.
Better let it
Yeah,
think about it.
if you refresh, my, I
Obliged.
will file response.
Obliged.
Final perspective,
Yes.
they dated 10/11/2025.
Yes.
This submit upon respond number 345 completed, my lord,
Huh.
by Dusty.
Okay.
In this regard, I have
Dusty,
filed
you have filed the
affidavit, my lord,
affidavit.
in flag C, my lord.
Page
Page 66.
66. Yeah, okay. Mr. A.K. Datta, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has filed an affidavit in support of the service of notice upon the response number 3, 4, and 5, which is taken on record. Perusal of the no, not taken on record, huh? File for a service of notice upon response number 3, 4, and 5, huh? Next para. Where is that receipt?
By the office of the.
Huh? Perusal of the notice. No, perusal of the perusal. No, perusal of the same next para, huh? Reflects that the notices in respect of respondent number 3, 4, and 5 have duly been served. Accordingly, the services in respect of respondent number 3, 4, and 5 are complete. Listed matter for admission after 4 weeks, 4 weeks.
3.5 only, no, sir.
3, 4 and 5.
My lord, it may be 3 weeks, my lord.
3 weeks, okay. Over.
Okay.